Hi there. When you're submitting a claim, knowing which modifiers to use is important. But if you've read the local coverage determination and you're still unsure, don't worry. There's an easier way. Today I'll show you how to use the Advanced Modifier Engine, or AMI. And this is a tool from CGS, and it's available on the CGS Medicare website. Here's how to find it. Go to cgsmedicare.com, choose your contract, and for this demo, I'll select JB. On the left side, scroll down to Tools and Calculators and click it. From the list, select Advanced Modifier Engine. Now you're in AMI. This tool helps you pick the right modifiers based on your HCPCS code and scenario. Let me show you why selecting a category first makes things easier. If you start with Select a HCPCS code, you'll see a long list of codes. Lots of scrolling. Instead, click Select a category. For example, choose knee orthosis. Now, when you pick a HCPCS code, let's use L1832. The list is much shorter. After that, select a scenario, knee orthosis coverage criteria met, unilateral. The sub-scenario option appears. It's optional but helpful. If you skip it, AMI shows all available info. Let's choose a sub-scenario, NA, meaning it's not an acute or emergent need claim. Click Submit again. Now, AMI gives clear instructions. Use LT or RT modifier for the side. Use KX modifier to show policy requirements are met. Let's try one more example. Click Reset. Then select Oxygen and Oxygen Equipment. Choose HCPCS code E1390. Pick a scenario. Oxygen has many, so let's choose a complex one. Oxygen rental equipment, stationary daytime use, at rest and nighttime use differ and average above 4 LPM and LCD criteria met. For the sub-scenario, select Group 1, new rentals with date of service on or after 1/4/23 and click Submit. Now AMI tells us, use RR for rental, use QR for this scenario, use N1 because it's Group 1 oxygen and coverage criteria are met. And just like before, you'll see general information and links to policies. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.